Clearing your search history on Uber Eats can help maintain your privacy and streamline your experience. Follow these steps to remove your search history. Step 1. Open the Uber Eats app. Launch the Uber Eats application on your mobile device. Ensure you are logged into your account to access your settings. Step 2. Go to your account. Tap on the profile icon or the account section, usually located in the bottom right corner of the screen. This will take you to your account settings. Step 3. Access settings. Look for the settings option within your account menu. This may be represented by a gear icon or labeled as settings. Step 4. Find search history. Scroll through the settings menu until you find the search history option. This section contains all your previous searches. Step 5. Clear search history. Select the option to clear or delete your search history. Confirm your choice when prompted to ensure that your search history is successfully removed. By following these steps, you can easily manage and clear your search history on Uber Eats. Enjoy a more personalized and private experience while using the app.